Happy Namaste. Welcome to Shweta's Brain Boosters YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about AP sum, the question paper sum. The sum goes like this. The sum of second and the fourth term of an AP is 54. According to the first statement, we are writing the questions, we plot down the questions like that. The sum of second and the fourth term of an AP is 54. So what is the thing we write? The sum of the second term and the fourth term of an AP is equals to 54. Shall I come again? The sum of the second term and the fourth term of an AP is equals to 54 according to the first statement. And next is, and the sum of its first 11 term. What is the next thing they have asked? The sum of first 11 terms is equals to 693. The sum of 11 terms is equals to, first 11 terms is equals to 693. So what is the thing they have asked us to find here? This. Find AP, which term in its progression is 132 more than its 54 terms. What is the thing we need to find out? We need to find out an AP. In which term of this is 134 more than this 54th term. So what is 54th term means it is A54. Okay. So let us do the calculations. According to the first statement, what is the thing? The sum of the second term and the fourth term is 54. So how would we write the second term? What is the thing? How we write A2 is A plus D. The second term is written as A plus D plus the fourth term will be written as A plus 3D. The second term is A plus D. The fourth term is A plus 3D is equals to 54. So A and A becomes 2A. A plus A is 2A. D plus 3D is equals to 4D. 2A plus 3D is equals to 54. So then what is the thing we have? 2A plus 4D is equals to 54. We are bringing 2 common. When I am bringing 2 common, remaining thing will be A plus 2 2s are 4. So it is 2D. So 4D, because we are bringing common 2, it becomes 2D is equals to 54 divided by 2 will be 27. What is 54 divided by 2? Common when we are bringing it is 27. So the first equation becomes A plus 2D is equals to 27. What is the first equation we got? A plus 2D is equals to 27. So which one? This one we mark it as equation 1. Coming to this one. So here we have done. We have got the first equation. Coming here, what is the thing there? We have sum of first 11 terms is equals to 693. So what is the formula of sum of